Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here in Las Vegas in my kitchen, and today we're going to talk about cleaning your Breville Espresso machine. And did you know this blinking light means cleaning cycle and the solid light means descaling? So there are two separate cleaning stages, but absolutely you want to learn how to clean your coffee grinder as well, because one day your coffee grinder will stop working and you will not know what to do. So we're gonna clean this and that helps it work again. So watch this video so you're not caught stranded with no espresso. Also, I have my cleaning tablet basket, my cleaning solution for descaling, and my filter, guys. So watch this video so you can learn concisely, very simple and easy, guys. So let's go. As an extra bonus at the end of the video, I'll show you how to clean the steam one. I know how it is, you're on the go, you forget to clean your steam one, so I'll show you an easy way on how to clean this at the end of the video. Alright guys, the first step, what you want to do is take your new water filter and soak it in water. So as I spoke of before, the blinking light means cleaning cycle and solid light means descaling. They're separate, guys. So cleaning cycle means we're going to do a back flushing from the group head. And what that does is there's these little holes here and they need to be clean and back flush. So our machine is telling us it needs to be clean. So we're going to do it by utilizing this cleaning tablet. We're going to put it in the cleaning basket, which came with your machine. This cleaning basket came with your box, so just open up the box. It looks like this, and the cleaning basket is right in this section here on the far side. I'll show you exactly where to get the kit, very cheap, for the water filter, the tablet, and the cleaning solution for descaling. Alright guys, so I have my butter knife. I'm just going to take the filter off by just popping it up just like that. I got my cleaning filter basket with the tablet. Let's go. My water's not filled to the max line, so we're going to fill it up with water. So guys, what I like to do before I put the portafilter on the group head, underneath is a lot of coffee grounds. So what you want to do is purge by just pressing the 1 cup to get Did you know you're absolutely supposed to do this before each espresso for the perfect espresso? Many people don't not do this, but we're just doing this to clean the residue of coffee grounds before we do the back flushing cleaning cycle. Just go ahead and add the portafilter with the cleaning basket. So guys, what I'm going to do is just put a large container right underneath the group head here. You can put a large cup if you like. Next step, make sure the machine is shut off. Press the button, make sure it's shut off. Alright guys, with the machine shut off, what you're going to do is press the 2 cup, the 1 cup, and power at the same time for about good 10 seconds, and it will start its cleaning cycle. This should last for about a good 5 minutes. What this is doing is back flushing the inner workings of the machine. So your machine's gonna make noises off and on for 5 minutes, guys. So you know it's working, it's cleaning. Alright guys, once the cleaning cycle is done, look at your cleaning basket. Everything is dissolved, guys. All right, guys, so after the cleaning cycle, what you're gonna do is take the drip tray, because a lot of the residue has went into the drip tray. So make sure that the drip tray is empty before you do the cleaning cycle. So as you can see, all that cleaning residue is in there, so just empty it out. So guys, I got the Descaler solution in my hand right now. So guys, you don't want to use any type of other alternatives for descaling your machine, like distilled white vinegar. You don't want your machine to smell like vinegar, and you don't want your shots to be off. So I've seen a lot of this online. So I have the solution. You can use the solution or the powder. I like to use the solution because it's already dissolved and ready to go in your machine. I will direct you to the most cost efficient kit for you guys. So let's get started descaling and let's go. All right, guys, the first step is we're going to go ahead and take off that water reservoir, and we're going to take out the water filter. So when we put that cleaning solution inside this container here, we don't want the solution to go through the water filter, of course. So I've got the water filter here, so I'm just going to take this off real fast. And you just take out the water filter just like this. Take it off. And it's right there. You just take it out. All right, we entirely took the water filter off, so we're just gonna go ahead and put the water reservoir right back on. And now we're just gonna fill it up with 4 cups of water. So guys, I have my 4 cups of water. I just use my blender to show the amount of cups. So 4 cups of water added to the reservoir. So guys, what's so good about this descaling solution, all you have to use is half of the bottle. So we're gonna use half, 1 half. We just do it by eye. And there you go, 1/2 bottle. If you don't got time to do measuring, it's basically just 1/2 from the minimum line to the max line. Right in the middle, guys. All right, guys, when descaling, you need to understand that you're descaling the coffee component, and you're descaling also the steam one and hot water. All right, guys, the hot water and the steam one. So you need to understand that. So we're gonna go in descale mode. Here we go. All right, guys, so we're just gonna put a container right underneath here. So from the off position, you're gonna hold your button on 2 cup and power. Now it's in descaling mode. As we see here, the lights are solid. Now we're going to press the 1 cup. Should last for 25 seconds. I like to look at the water reservoir and only use half of the water. So it stopped after 25 seconds. So now we're gonna go to the water. We're gonna use the wand. So we're gonna go to the hot water component. And now we're gonna use the steam component. Go back to the 1 cup. So I'm going to use the dial, put it to hot water. back to steam. All right, guys, so we're going to keep on doing that till all of it's gone, and then we're going to do it again with clean water. Again, press 1 cup. All right, guys, in the rinse mode, I would do it 3 times. Just to be sure, make sure all the inner workings of it is nice and cleansed, guys. After you're done with rinsing, you're going to take your container off and you're going to clean the inside with clean water and rinse out your reservoir. Okay, guys? Next step. All right, guys, now that you descaled your machine with your carbon filter that's been soaking, we can install it back into the water reservoir, so we'll do that. All right, guys, all you do is press the tabs, insert your carbon filter, put it right back in the machine. All right, guys, if your coffee grinder has not stopped working yet, you're pretty lucky, guys. So sometimes your coffee grinder, you'll go to try to coffee grind and it will not work. It means inside just it's jammed up inside. So basically you just take this off, right? Self-explanatory. You get your vacuum and all those crumbs inside, you're gonna vacuum it out and it will get your machine working again. You have some cleaning bristles, you can clean bristle inside. But basically the easiest way to do this is get a vacuum and vacuum out all those crumbs that's causing the jam and put it together, and it's that easy. It's just a twist off. You take this off, vacuum, put it back on. It's very simple, guys. All right, guys, what you've been waiting for on how to clean your steam wand. Use the hot water from your machine. Fill up the cup to the top. The hot water will slough off all that mess off your wand. Let it soak for 10 minutes. So once it's soaked for 10 minutes, all you gotta do is just take your cup off. Most of it has sloughed off into the cup. But what I like to use is this power wash. I give it a good spray. And then I just use a paper towel. Everything comes off just like that, guys. Nice and clean. Hey guys, don't forget when cleaning your steam wand, there's this little hole puncher at the end to where you can punch a hole and clean that steam wand right here. So you can open up that hole right there, see? So it comes already with your Breville machine. Just look inside the box and you'll find the cleaning kit. All right, guys. So guys, hopefully I was helpful to help you guys out descaling your new machine. So guys, I'm new to YouTube. If you can give me a like and maybe hopefully I can earn your subscribe. I'll help you with things around the house and I'll see you guys again. Goodbye.